legendary Devout base. We're going to use Crucibles. 2 tunes of Crucibles. Let's make this happen. First thing you do, for me, for Crucibles, I use Wastelanders. No, wrong one. Not them guys. I need right there. 2. Bring them in and put them on hold. I don't know why it works, but because they're in there, they give the Crucibles some kind of bonus that makes them take very little damage. So we're going to clean this base out using Crucibles. And we're going to use 2 tunes to minimize the damage. You can do it. Get over there and kill him. Don't walk away. Kill that one. Kill him dead. Come on, get over there. Kill him dead. Okay, once these guys start shooting you, they'll take a little bit of damage, so you just got to get them moving. There's another one over there shooting at us. Just take them out a little bit at a time. Okay, got to get out of there. Got to get out of there. Got to get out of there. Might have to retrace my Wastelanders. They're chasing you. They're chasing you. They're chasing you. Okay, they're gone. All right, now what I'm going to bring in to get rid of a few of those turrets that are causing me heartache is these guys here. Oh, there's one right here. I forgot about him. There's one right there that he'll shoot you too. Usually I shoot him right away. But I'm always changing things up, so I don't always remember. So with the Jericho, we'll get rid of those turrets. And they won't do any more damage to our cruiser. They don't do much damage. They do a little bit. Nothing significant. Take out the orbital. All right, good enough. Oh, I repeated the wrong thing. All right, that's okay. Bring them back in. I need to have my 2 Wastelanders because somehow... Put them on hold. There you go. Deselect. In fact, I'm going to use the Jericho to take out this one over here too. He's a pain in the butt. Good, he's gone. All right. Retreat the Jericho, bring in Crucibles, and let's empty the space. As long as you don't take on too many of these legendary Devouts, the Crucibles will take care of them. So just take care of a few at a time. Just keep picking them off as you go. Clean the rest of the base as you go. Put them on aggressive. So when you get a bunch of them like that, you just put them on aggressive and then they'll just keep shooting them. They'll clear them out pretty quick. See, as you can see, because of those Wastelanders, for whatever reason, they don't take hardly any damage. I'm okay with that. Now, next thing we got to do is got to get rid of these guys, because these guys will slow us down. They don't do any damage to us, but they slow us down. Okay, there you go. See, they just hit you with the old slow down routine. Clean these guys out. As you can see, they do it pretty harmlessly. Get rid of him. Get rid of him. These two guys. And that's it. Now we can just put them on Ruby and the base is clear. Just get these two. It's a much easier way to do the legendary Devout. So, just as a recommendation, suggestion, I have 2 tunes of 11 Crucibles and my Wastelanders, and they clean the clock. I will show you. I don't think we got much damage. They should be instant repair. If you want to wait for the repair mount, hang around. Otherwise, that was it. This is something I was repairing from earlier. Yeah, my Dark Storm. The beauty of it, I'll show you here. That gets you almost 700 million points to your next level. See the next level? That gets you almost 700 points towards that. So it's very good. All right, what we got for tunes? Open up. All right, 27 minutes, which I'll show you is not 27 minutes. It should be instant repair. Oh, I screwed up. Got rid of it. So he got a little bit of damage. My Jericho got a little bit of damage. These guys only got 8 minutes. The other one, but I screwed up my tunes. That's all right. I'll fix it. Instant repair. Instant repair. 2 more. So as you can see, they don't get much damage. Now I got to make a new tune. What a knucklehead. Come on. This thing is ridiculous, as slow as it is. 1, 2. Where'd you go? As you can see, it's instant repair. Instant repair. Instant repair. Now I'm going to have to repair them one at a time because they're going to be more than 5 minutes. Yeah, 236. If I did 2 at a time, it'd be more than 5 minutes. But as you can see, it's instant repair. So you can do as many legendary Devout bases as you would like. Pretty easy way to do them. These Crucibles are unbelievable. It's worth it to you to make them. Okay, that was it.